Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix offline Siri not working on iPhone iOS 17, Siri not working without internet iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have enable dark mode or disable it. If you are like me, you do not always like having dark mode turned on. Well, if you want to use Siri without internet to switch your iOS 17 theme, you can do that. Just say turn on dark mode or turn off on your iPhone dark mode. So you have open the setting and then you have click on display and brightness. Then you have turn on dark mode and then turn off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have turn Bluetooth on and off. Siri can also turn Bluetooth on off for you while you are not connected to the internet. This way you can use Siri offline to change the status of your iPhone Bluetooth radio on the go. Then you have Bluetooth then turn on and off 2 or 3 times on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have turn Wi-Fi on and off. Another setting that you can change with Siri while offline is Wi-Fi. Say turn on Wi-Fi and then turn off Wi-Fi, and Siri will toggle the Wi-Fi for you even you have no internet connection on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have enable disable flight mode. So then you have enable and disable. Then you would mostly want to use Siri offline is when you are hiking or traveling, and then it is important to save battery in those situations. Well, you can say turn on flight mode, and Siri will enable flight mode on your iPhone to help you save more battery. Then fifth solution, you have change brightness. Lastly, you can use Siri offline to increase or decrease the screen brightness on your iPhone. Just say increase the brightness or brightness as per your requirement. So you have open the control center settings. So you have just the adjustment on your brightness on your iPhone. Then you have requirement on your mobile. Then sixth and last solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.